Here goes exercise 6.6. As the conceptual video, I really hope that you have memorized whatever I had explained there. So here we are having few fill in the blanks. Of course, you are going to do these questions of the fill in the blanks in your books. So the first one, the smallest prime number was told to you in the video is 2. Why not 1? Because 1 is a unique number. So here it goes in the second fill in the blank. The number 1 is a dash number. So what will come here? It is a unique number. Next, which is the smallest composite number? Now children, 1 is a unique number, 2 is a prime number. Consider 3. It will also come just in the table of 1 and 3, so it is also prime. So the smallest composite number is 4 because it has more than 2 factors, 1, 2 and 4. Dash is the only even prime number. I told you 2 is the only even prime number. Composite numbers have dash or more factors. Minimum they have 3 factors. So 3 or more factors. Next page, please turn up. Prime numbers with a composite number in between are called dash numbers. They are called twin prime numbers. 2 prime numbers with 1 composite number in between. Prime numbers between 1 and 10. 2, 3, 5, 7. I am not writing odd numbers or something, You may be tempted to write 9 here. But do remember 9 comes in the table of 3. So below 10 you have 2, 3, 5 and 7. They do not come in any other table. This is the book work, children. Now the remaining 2 questions you are supposed to do in the notebooks. Now there are many parts of these questions. I will be doing few parts for you and the remaining will be your self-attempt questions. Question number 2 is, children, factorize. Factorize you are doing since in exercise 6.1 also you did factorization, and to find the HCF also you did factorization. Natural numbers, you know what are natural numbers now. Between 15, from 15, not between, 15 to 35, all of them, to discover which are prime and which are composite. Which are prime and which are composite. You understand what we are supposed to do? I will do few numbers for you. The remaining will be for your homework. Now there are lots, I know there are so many numbers, but as the question says, we have to do that. Now number 15. First you find the factors. Right? Now it is apparent that there are more than 2 factors. So in front of it, what you are going to write is it prime or composite? Composite. You can make a table. You can make a table in your notebooks and you can continue writing there. You can make such table, Like this you can make a table. Right? You can write number here and you can write prime or composite. Right? Here you can make a chart, number of factors. Number of factors. I'll make a little adjustment. Just give me 1 minute. I'll write without any mismanagement. Just give me a second. Right? In the second column, we will write the number of factors which we have got, and then we will write the prime and the composite. Now this table will continue. I'm not ending it. It may continue to the next page as well. Right? So here my first number was 15. And what are my factors? 1 into 15, 3 into 5. Right? So apparently you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 factors. So it is a composite number. Then we come on 16. 1 into 16, 2 into 8, and 4 into 4. So how many factors you can pen it down? 6 factors. So again this is composite. Third, 17, 1 into 17, only 2 factors, it will be a prime number. So I hope you have got, children, what I am wanting. You can make a table like this, right? You can make a table like this. Write on the top exercise 6.6 because you are starting notebook work from this question and put today's date. Now 17, after that you will continue 18, 19, 20. I will pick up 1 or 2 more numbers for you. The others will be your self-attempt questions. Let me come up to the numbers more than 25. Say I've reached, I'm moving on and I've reached 25. So 1 into 25, 5 into 5. So 4 and composite. Right? 26, 2 के टेबल में आएगा, composite होगा. 27, 3 के टेबल में आएगा, composite होगा. 28, फिर से 8 is even, 2 के टेबल में आएगा ही आएगा तो composite होगा. 29, you keep on moving like this, then will come 29. It will only come in its own table. So this will be a prime number. 30, 0 है तो 5 और 10 के टेबल में भी आएगा, 2 के टेबल में भी आएगा तो composite होगा. उसके बाद आपके पास 30 आपका composite आ गया, right? 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. इसके बाद आपके पास 31 आएगा. It will only have 2 factors and it will be prime. And then you will move on till 35, right? You have 8 factors here and it will be composite. Clear, children? You can have a demarcation line after you finish one number. You can be neat, right? You can stretch out lines like this so that your copy is having a neat work. So understood this particular question? So this is the way we identify the prime and the composite numbers. Question number 3, children. Factorize the following numbers. To find if they are prime or composite, also take the help of the divisibility rules. Did you discover any even prime number among these? In the end, we will answer this question. So again, write the question in the dot form. Sorry. Write the question in the dot form. And I will end with these, right? So I will make a chart again. I will make a chart again like this only in my solution, right? And I will identify whether they are prime or composite. Same headings almost. Number of factors, prime and composite. Clear? So number of factors, prime or composite, right? So my first number is 26. Children, now this is even, so it will definitely come in the table of 2. So it is a composite number. If you want to find the factors, 1 into 26, 2 into 13, that's it, 4 factors, right? Then the second number which is given to me in the book is 27, and all of you know it will come in the table of 3. 3 nines are 27. 4 factors, composite. 36, definitely it will come in the table of 2, also in the table of 3, and 4 nines is 36. So you have 8 factors and again composite, right? After this I have 37. Children, it is a prime number. It will not come in any other table. After this I have the next number 39. 1 into 39, 2 का table में आएगा नहीं. This is odd. I am using the divisibility rules. Add them. 9 and 3, 12. 3 के table में आएगा. And then you continue. 4 tens are 40. चलते जाओ और किसी टेबल में नहीं आएगा ये, बट यू विल कंटिन्यू टिल यू कम टू 13. So it is composite. Then you have 43. It will only come in its own table. Then you have 45. You know it will come in the table of 5 and 3 also. 5 into 9. So you have 6 factors and composite. I will have to move on the next page, children. So 8 sum. I have 51. So 1 into 51. You add them. 5 and 1 6. तो 3 के टेबल में आएगा. So 4 factors composite. Then I have 52. तो 2 के टेबल में आएगा बेटे. And it will become composite. It will become composite. Right? When you add 3 के टेबल में आएगा नहीं. 4 के टेबल में आएगा. And 6 factors. Then we have 54. 2 के टेबल में आएगा. 1 into 54, 2 into 27, 3 के टेबल में भी आएगा because when you add the digits, and here it will end. नहीं, 9 के टेबल में भी आता है. 6 into 9. So 8 factors composite. 57. 1 into 57. Generally students do a mistake here. They don't do the divisibility rules and they don't move on as I've told you. There are no shortcuts to factors. You have to move on till the number gets repeated. So 2, it will not come because this is odd. Add the digits. So you find that it will come in the table of 3. 4 factors, composite. 58. 2 के टेबल में आएगा ही आएगा और composite बन जाएगा. Composite. 59. ये किसी के टेबल में नहीं आएगा बेटे. So it will become a prime number. 60. तो 2 में भी आएगा, 3 में भी आएगा, तो हमारा बन जाएगा composite. You can write further. My page has got finished. So we have more than 2. I'll write for you because my page is finished. And composite. So this is, we have found out using the divisibility rules. You will make a chart here in this page as well with help of a scale, as ma'am is also selecting ma'am's own scale. So here goes the chart, right? Now in the end, there was one question which is asked over here. That is, did you discover any even prime numbers among these? Observe and tell among the prime numbers which are the even prime numbers. Do you have any? Are you observing, children? You don't have any even prime number actually. This is prime 59. On this sheet, no more number is prime. On the previous sheet, 2 numbers are prime. One is 37. It is not even, it is odd. And another is 43. Is 43 even or odd? It is also odd. So what is going to be my answer, children? What is my answer going to be? No. There is no even prime number. There is no even prime number. So do you get this, children, how we have done the sums? I know it is a little time consuming, but as the question is given, so we have to do it. So your self-attempt questions is question number 2, the remaining numbers. After finishing this work, make a PDF and submit it to me for checking. And do remember, children, revise. This is your homework. Revise chapter 6. Although I've given you so many revisions, thoroughly, because I'm going to take a test in the coming week, assessment on Tuesday. One Google form I have attached today in the WhatsApp morning work. Kindly revise and then attempt the Google form. Your answers will come directly to me. First practice, then only perform the Google form. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.